Hello everyone, we're continuing with day 24. We weren't able to solve day 23, and let's go with fast attempt on day 24. I simply will expect that will be too hard anyway to put too much effort, but simply for completeness, let's try to do it. We don't have this part. And the prompting, let's see, we have this one, we have this one. And what's the task? Magic smoke starts leaking from the submarine arithmetic logic unit. Okay. Without the ability to perform basic arithmetic and logic functions, the submarine can produce cool patterns with its Christmas lights. It also can't navigate or run the oxygen system. Don't worry though, you probably have enough oxygen left to give you enough time to build a new arithmetic logical unit. Okay, that's interesting. We have a 4-dimensional processor unit. It has integer variable y, x, y, w, x, y, z. This variable starts the value 0. The OU also supports 6 instructions: imp, add, move, diff, mod. Divide the value of a by the value of b, then stores the remainder in variable a. This is also called modulo operation. Equal. If the value of a and b are equal, then store the value 1 in the variable a, otherwise stores the value 0 in variable a. Okay, interesting. In all of these instructions, a and b are placeholders. A will always be a variable where the result of operation is stored, and of x, y, z, while b can be either a variable or a number. Number can be positive or negative, but will always be integer. Okay. The OO has no jump instruction. In a OO program, every instruction is run exactly once in order from top to bottom. The bottom halts after the last instruction has finished executing. Program authors should be especially cautious attempting to execute diff with b0 or attempting to execute mod with under 0 will cause a program to crash and might even damage the OO. This operation is never intended in any serious OO program. For example, here is an OO program which take input number negative, it stores. Okay, let's have like test input in these examples. Let me go to my program. I expect to be something really massive. It's not so massive actually. This is interesting challenges. Right. I want to do myself. Let me close all the stuff that I already had open. Here I simply have this one. And let me go with this new way of asking with having this emphasize, having the task here. Let me go back to the task. Okay, I don't need to give this top context of the. I would imagine it's fine. Not very big input anyway. Instructions. Let me emphasize this part. Let me add them like a hint. Okay, let's go with this one and see what we'll do. We have instructions, we have the parsing of the instruction. And we have execution of the instructions. In here actually we have different versions of the instructions. So far not so bad. Let's do the execute part. I can. I don't need it complete program and so on. $38. Then my favorite stuff here. Oh no, I actually have it trimmed like that one. If one empty, continue, let's see. 41. Let me see how the parts are looking, because this program looks really very promising. It's exactly how okay, if I look at the input, it can be 3 or 2. And if it's not like that, okay, let me do it like that. We will always have the 2. The only thing that we actually need to check is if it's 3, simply to make it equal to this one. About that, we have 2 and we have some cases that's actually 3, and then we want to do it a little bit differently. What is this monad check? Because okay, before this, what is this? Okay. Here's a rule which takes non-negative integer as input, convert it into binary, stores the lowest first bit in Z and second lowest bit in Y, third lowest bit in Z, etc. Here that works. Okay, let me add in this info. $14-digit number. Okay, let me try it again. I have mod equal initializing to zeros. Okay, that looks interesting. I think this stuff here is not super promising. But running this like here, for example, yeah, this will not work. Okay, that seems like if it's a string, a second. That's too much stuff. How can I? No, I don't want that. I want to see this one. Okay, open AI stuff. And that be with two more tools. I mean that will never end really. Okay. In this case, I need to insist. Let's see if I say, okay, this solution is fine, but if you want a version about that. This one looks the most legit, really. But it's too. Nah, shit. Like. Okay, let's see with this one. This one looks different. 61, 61, what's 61? Is the same kind of thing? Yes. Okay, I see. Thanks. Your space. And if it's not with input, $25. But 1 second, why is this? I don't understand. I think this part is actually executing the program. Okay. Let's continue and see what can we do. Which part might be wrong in this evaluation? Did I grab a prompt? Not really. Think it's this way of simply trying out the varied model numbers. I don't think that cannot work for the same reasons with is this by any means better? Now it's running out of index and so on. 26. Let me try 2 more times. So I need return. Not really. Okay. What is this doing? I just doing it internally. Set the value and so on. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, how the set value works. Interesting. Let's see. Video complete. Do not give me. Hundred 21. Let me actually adjust this input. Hence, Let's see if that will help with anything. Okay, here we can see exactly this stuff. It's actually quite... it's quite capable. It's, to me, at the current stage, the hardest part is probably the input output limit size. We couldn't get more than 8,000 tokens, and we can see it even in this program. It's okay, it's managed to do it. Let's see how far is. $52. Okay, let me add a bit for that. Cautious? How you write cautious? Cautious. Okay, a bit interesting spelling. Didn't know about that. Be careful. Then have the I think that's more than enough, and probably one try is enough. Probably if it doesn't work, we'll downvote it and we'll get another one, and it's simply too much stuff. And yeah, I can see actually that the coding abilities are actually very good. I can see not confident that it doesn't pick that from some GitHub repository, but I definitely can see it's able to analyze the text to do so much stuff. That's I mean, it's still really questionable how much of this stuff it's really doing it now, how much it's from elsewhere and so on. But yeah, no doubt, there's a lot of capabilities can it is this size limits it actually. Oh, sorry about that. I shouldn't refresh it, simply should download it. This token size is actually very bad. I mean, especially that will encourage people to use specific programming language. If I need to use Go or Java, because of how verbose they are and how much boilerplate needs to be added, at the end of the day people will be pushed to use more concise languages, which not always correspond to really good thing. But yeah, I don't not completely sure about that. Here are the programs. Okay, the execution, yeah, that will be quite that's okay. Same isn't true. Done. One go. Looking forward for in here I can already see it's like definitely OpenAI have increased their speed. At least I can see the solution being generated faster, or at least it looks to me like faster. Find max model. Model to end, interesting. Previous model. It's interesting because now the Discord's a little bit easier to see what's going on and so on. I mean, being encouraged on something that it's more obscure and not so explicit to write the program because of the token size. Yeah, I mean, I definitely wouldn't be super happy with. Yeah, we'll leave it like that. Or let me video lead program and skip all already provided functions. No, but complete functions, yeah, man. It's like there is really no way this stuff to. And that looks so complicated. Because it's losing the context, yeah, I don't see that it can work. Because it's like the two programs are too vastly different from each other. Integer division by 0, and it's losing track of the previous requirement and so on. Okay, we'll leave it like that. To have it sample of inputs, and probably in the future we'll be able to simply compare with another model, one that is coming in the future, whenever this future is, might be probably in 1 or 2 years, will be interesting, or even the change for a bigger token size might actually be relatively soon, hopefully in a couple of months. If that's happen, I will really want to try it through, but I don't know. Prompt GPT-4, prompt like that. The answer is as follows. Certainly, blah blah blah. Now this stuff. This monad. I don't have Haskell compiler, so will be interesting. Let me, as a last attempt, try to do that in Python. Simply to see how would it perform if you have that go on blah blah blah. a Python. Read the font, not so bad. In principle, the same kind of logic. However, I would imagine the program will be. Oh, I didn't know that you can define a function like that and say that okay, that's not local and so on, but I don't know any Python. Yeah, that looks so much off. But let me add main py. Okay, I couldn't find Python. Let me go here. The day 23, no, 24, almost done. I have Python 3, I think. Yeah. Okay, I couldn't find that. But if I do it like that, does it help with anything? Yes. What it's doing, it's running to the infinity. If I do top, what's going on? Python, it's CPU memory is not so high, but the CPU is having 100%. Yeah, I think it's fine to be like that. Let me add here the Python response simply to have it that we have tried in Python. The Python program doesn't look any better by any means. And then search for a large valid model number that contains no 0 digits and is accepted by monad. Let me add this to make it easy to read when a person is looking at that on GitHub. So far so good. It's happening with that. Okay, infinite. I think for day 24 that was enough. Relatively short attempt, and let's see if we'll be able to do day 25. Thank you for your time and hope that you've seen something that might be useful for you, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.